Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illnesses, physical ailments are at an all-time high. Plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is a new opening, a new path, a new inspiration, new place to go. It's time that you opened up a new door and walk through it and expand your life. You've been at this level for so long. It could have been stress. It could be anxiety. It could just be at this one base pay, but you've put in your time, you put in your work, and you've never given up. Therefore, a new door is open for you. It may not be the door that you've been prying at, knocking at, but look to your left or right. See what doors and opportunities are looking up to you and actually opening themselves up to you. You could be planting multiple plants. Let's say you have multiple plants, which are your gifts. You're making sure you water all your plants, but look at which one is actually blossoming for you and take a hold of that. Have a humble, teachable spirit. Understand that you will get your heart's desires, but it may not come through the door or the plant that you want. And that in that way, we don't always get our way on how, but the results are always what we get. We always get what we want. When one door closes, I'm confident another will open, and it will be for my betterment. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ knows what's better for you. They know what your wants, and maybe the route that you're taking may be dangerous for you, and they're opening up the better door and opportunity that you can use your gifts for. I accept that life brings challenges and acknowledge the opportunity and learning it presents to me for your protection is always for your own good. You may not understand now, but guaranteed 4-6 months later to a year, you say, wow, I understand. I didn't see this was happening. Thank you for the protection. Thank you for this grand opportunity. Serenity comes from within. Understand the things that you can take control of and other things that you can't, just let it go. Don't worry about the how. Just make sure that when you have an opportunity and it blossoms, take full advantage. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page be a blessing to you. I love you.